All right, real quick Axeman update here. We've been pecking away at it a bit the past few days. We got the auger motor mounted on it and the gearbox. Got the transfer head mounted. This transfer head came with it. It was on this auger that came with it, but this transfer head, the mounting holes here did not line up with this boiler, so had to do quite a bit of grinding to get that to fit. And we've got our boiler sensor in, we've got our ash sensor in, and motor's on it. So actually, turn the fan motor on. Ooh, sorry, it's above the high limit. Let's just raise that. There we go. And well, the auger won't turn because the chain's not on it yet, but gearbox turns. Motor all works. So that's that. So for the ash sensor this time, it didn't have any copper to play with really, so I had a 1 foot long piece of 1/2 inch black iron pipe. Probably going to put a cap on the end of it over there, but I don't know if that's going to insulate the sensor enough, but I guess we'll find out. And just for giggles, I put all the doors on it, put the cover on the transfer head, put a cover over the exhaust port, just because it's circulating water from the van. We're in the basement right now, and the boiler temperature is actually at 163 degrees. And I just wanted to see what the ashing temperature would be with no fire in it and a hot boiler. 163 degree boiler, and our ashing temperature is actually near the set point. Well, like less than 11 degrees away from it. The ashing set point is 115 degrees, and right now it's sitting at 104.3 degrees. So that's kind of interesting. So what that means is when you get below 110 degree ashing temperature setting, you're getting down into the area where you're actually just sensing the boiler heat instead of the actual ash heat. So something to keep in mind. Hopefully we're going to get this thing fired up this weekend. Just got a few more things to do. One engineering project we got to do is the ashing. If you recall, last year on the last one we used a 800 RPM motor and a 1765-to-1 gearbox to drive the ashing gear. And we're probably going to do that again, but I don't think we're going to mount it on the big clunky wood thing. We'll probably extend this shelf out a little bit with a piece of metal and make some holes in it to mount that stuff. All right, that's it.